ServiceWire's ServicePRO-X single conductors are available silicone-free to meet the installation requirements inside of automotive manufacturing facility. Our singles can be used in conduit, cable tray, duct banks, or directly buried. We offer thermoset XHW-2, USC-2, and RHW-2 in 14 gauge through 750 kc mil copper. All cables are UL listed 600 volt 1 kV, and cables 1 aught and larger are cable tray rated. Our superior line of enhanced surface cross-linked insulation does not require pulling lube and requires less pulling force during installation. Best of all, ServicePRO-X is available in stock in a wide range of industry standard colors, which are also silicone-free. With our single conductors, you don't have to worry about silicone interfering with any adhesive materials in your paint booth or throughout the facility, or seeping onto your hands during installation. XLPE products like ServiceWire's XAW-2 pictured here and USC and RHW are made with cross-linked polyethylene instead of a PVC nylon. Thermoset insulation is more resistant to chemicals and abrasions and far less toxic than PVC. Thermoplastic insulation in the event of a fire. Thermosets are also more resistant to leakage current and have far superior electrical performance.